Steam cleaners use high-temperature steam to sanitize and remove dirt from floors, carpets, and more, offering a fast, chemical-free way to keep your home spotless. Starting at number 1, McCulloch MC147 Canister Steam Cleaner. The McCulloch MC1375 Canister Steam Cleaner offers powerful chemical-free cleaning with up to 90 minutes of continuous steam from its large 48-ounce water tank. Equipped with 20 versatile accessories, including brushes, nozzles, and mop pads, it easily tackles floors, grout, appliances, furniture, and even personal car detailing. With variable steam control, a long 18-foot power cord, and a 7-foot steam hose, this steam cleaner provides extended reach and precise cleaning for every corner of your home. Number 2, Kiato Handheld Steam Cleaner. The Kiato Handheld Steam Cleaner is a portable, chemical-free cleaning tool that delivers high-temperature, high-pressure steam to tackle dirt, grease, and stains on multiple surfaces like upholstery, car interiors, tiles, and countertops. It features a 450 ml water tank that allows about 8 minutes of continuous steam without interruption, and comes with a 10-piece accessory kit to clean hard-to-reach areas and various materials with ease. Lightweight and easy to maneuver with a long power cord, it's ideal for quick, deep cleaning tasks around the home or office. Number 3, PurSteam 10-in-1 Steam Mop. The PurSteam 10-in-1 Steam Mop ThermaPro 211 is a versatile chemical-free cleaning tool that quickly heats up, about 30 seconds, to steam and sanitize floors like tile, hardwood, and laminate. It features a detachable handheld steamer, so you can also tackle upholstery, clothes, grout, and other surfaces with included accessories such as brushes, a squeegee, and a carpet glider. Lightweight with a swivel mop head and washable microfiber pads, it's built for effortless maneuvering and multi-surface cleaning around your home. Number 4, Dupray Neat Plus Steam Cleaner. The Dupray Neat Plus Steam Cleaner is a versatile all-in-one steam cleaning solution that uses chemical-free high-temperature steam to deep clean and sanitize a wide range of surfaces, from floors and grout to upholstery, car interiors, windows, and kitchen appliances. It heats up in about 90 seconds, lets you refill water during use for uninterrupted cleaning, and comes with a 17-piece accessory kit so you can tackle everything from large floor areas to tight corners and detailed spots. Compact, lightweight, and on wheels for easy maneuvering, it's designed to make whole home steam cleaning efficient and effective without harsh chemicals. Number 5, GOATCLEAN Heavy Duty Steam Cleaner. The GOATCLEAN Heavy Duty Steam Cleaner STUE is a powerful 1500W multi-purpose steam cleaning system that delivers high-pressure steam up to 1,060 psi for deep and chemical-free cleaning across your home, car, and more. It comes with a 22-piece accessory kit, including floor and window tools, brushes, fabric steamer, rotating brush, and nozzles, so you can tackle grout, tile, hardwood, carpets, upholstery, ovens, and even wallpaper removal with a single unit. The 1.5L large capacity tank provides around 40 minutes of continuous steam per fill, and the long power cord and hose give up to 22 feet of reach for easy maneuvering. Built on wheels with an ergonomic handle and backed by a 2-year full coverage warranty, it's designed for versatile deep cleaning without harsh chemicals.